Carl, you perform like a dead fish.
I was trying to bet down there, right?
Go see if you can invite Delirious. Listen, there's no more camera, y'all. What? Jesus. Hey, Squirrel, good. Squirrel, nice job.